Hi students, this is Murali Krishna Rodhanati. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, that is properties of geometric progression. Properties of properties of geometric progression. First one, first one, if ABC are in geometric progression, if ABC are in geometric progression, implies and implied by b square is equals to AC. Observe here, if three non-zero terms are involved in geometric progression, if three non-zero terms are involved in geometric progression, then b square is equals to AC. Implies and implied by b square is equals to AC is nothing but if b square is equals to AC, ABC are in GP. If ABC are in geometric progression, then b square is equals to AC. How we will get means, observe here, A, B, C are in geometric progression. A, B, C are in geometric progression. We know that in a geometric progression, the ratio of any two consecutive terms is always same. It is nothing but T2 by T1 is equals to T3 by T2. Here T1, T2, T3. T2 by T1 is nothing but B by A is equals to T3 by T2 is nothing but C by B. C by B. If you do cross multiplication here, B into B, that is B square is equals to A into C, AC. B square is equals to AC. If A, B, C are in geometric progression, if A, B, C are in geometric progression, then B square is equals to AC. Let us discuss one example here. If x comma 2x plus 2 comma 3x plus 3 are in geometric progression, if x comma 2x plus 2 comma 3x plus 3 are in geometric progression, find 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 fourth term of given sequence. Find fourth term of given sequence. If x comma 2x plus 2 comma 3x plus 3 are in geometric progression, find fourth term of given sequence. Observe here, A, B, C are in geometric progression. A, B, C are in geometric progression. Then B square is equals to AC. That means B square is equals to AC. Here A value x, B value 2x plus 2 and C value 3x plus 3. So B square means here 2x plus 2 whole square is equals to A value here x into C value 3x plus 3. 2x plus 2 whole square, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a value is 2x and b value is 2. So a square means 4x square plus 2ab, 2 into 2x, 4x, 4x into 2 is nothing but 8x plus b square means 4 is equals to x into 3x is nothing but 3x square plus x into 3 is equals to 3x. If you transpose plus 3x square plus 3x from RHS to LHS, it will become negative quantities, that is minus 3x square and minus 3x. So 4x square minus 3x square plus 8x minus 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. 4x square minus 3x square, we get x square plus 8x minus 3x is equals to 5x plus 4 is equals to 0. We will get here quadratic equation. Factorize this. Observe here, x square plus 5x can be written as 4x plus x plus 4 is equals to 0. 4x plus x is equals to 5x. 4x into x is equals to 4, nothing but 4x square. So if you take x as common here, x into x plus 4. Take here 1 as common, we will get x plus 4 is equals to 4. X plus 4 equals to 0. Observe here, x into x plus 4 plus 1 into x plus 4. Take x plus 4 as common. X plus 4 as common. We get, take x plus 4 as common, we get x plus 1. So x plus 1 is equals to 0. We know that 0 rule. If a into b is equals to 0, if a into b is equals to 0, either a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. In nothing but x plus 4 is equals to 0 or x plus 1 is equals to 0. That means x is equals to minus 4 or x is equals to minus 1. X is equals to minus 4 or x is equals to minus 1. This is the x value. If you take x is equals to minus 4, if x is equals to minus 4, substitute here a value, that is thus ABCR minus 4 comma 2 into minus 4 plus 2 comma 3 into minus 4 plus 3 is nothing but minus 4 comma 2 fours minus 8 plus 2 is nothing but minus 6. 3 fours are 12, minus 12 plus 3 is nothing but minus 9. Therefore, the three terms are minus 4, minus 6 and minus 9. We want find the fourth term of given GP. We know that fourth term A4 is equals to, in your GP, an is equals to ar power n minus 1. A4 is equals to ar power 4 minus 1 is nothing but ar power 3. That is equals to, here a value how much? Minus 4 into r value, observe here, minus 6 by here, a is equals to, here a is equals to minus 4, r means common ratio, minus 6 by minus 4, 2 2s are 2 3s are nothing but 3 by 2. So ar cube minus 4 into 3 by 2 whole cube, that is equals to minus 4 into 3 by 2 whole cube is nothing but 3 cube means 27, 2 cube means 8. That is 27 by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are. We will get minus 27 by 2 is the fourth term of, minus 27 by 2 is the fourth term of the given sequence. If x is equals to 1, if x is equals to minus 1, take if x is equals to minus 1. Observe here the ABC are x is equals to minus 1, we get minus 1. 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 2 is nothing but 0, 0, comma. 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus 3, 0. Observe here, minus 1, 0, 0 are the three terms, but it is not in GP. T2 by T1, 0 by minus 1 is nothing but 0. 0 by T3 by T2, 0 by 0 does not exist. So, minus 1, 0 and 0 are the not in geometric progression. So, x value can't be minus 1. So, x is equals to minus 4. Therefore, the fourth term is minus 27 by 2. Next, second property. Second one. In an finite GP. In an finite GP, we know that finite GP means it contains finite number of terms. In an finite GP, the product of terms which is equidistant from the beginning and end is always same and is equals to the product of first and last term. Observe here, second property. In an finite geometric progression, the product of terms which is equidistance, from the beginning and end is always same and is equals to the product of the first and last terms. That is, if in a finite G, that means a1 comma a2 comma a3 comma a4 comma and so on, an minus 3, an minus 2, an minus 1, an are in GP. The product of terms which is equidistant from the beginning and end is always same and the product of same and is equal to the product of the first and last term. If you take second term from the beginning and second term from the end, their product a2 into an minus 1 is same as take third term from the beginning, take third term from the end is nothing but a3 into an minus 2 is same as take fourth term from the beginning and fourth term from the end is nothing but a4 into an minus 3 and so on, or same as or equal, and it is equals to the product of first term and last term, that is a1 into a1 into an. Observe here one example. Take one GP, that is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128 and 256. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128 and 256. Clearly it is in GP and it is a finite GP. It is a finite GP. That means it has finite number of terms. So this is a finite GP. The product of the terms which is equidistance from the beginning and end. Observe here. Take second term from the beginning. Take second term from the end. Is nothing but 4 into 128 is same as take third term 8 into take third term here 64 same as take 16, that means 1 2 3 fourth term from the beginning, take fourth term from the end into 32 is same as 2 into first and last term, that is 2 into 256. 4 128. 4 128, so how much means 512 is equals to 8 64s. Here also 512 is same as 16 32s are. Here also 512 and 256 jar, how much means 512. So that's why in a finite GP, the product of the terms which is equidistance from the beginning and end is always same and is equals to the product of first and last term. Next, third property. Next one, third one. If we multiplied or divide each term of a geometric progression with common ratio r, if we multiplied or divide each term of geometric progression with common ratio r by a non-zero constant number, then the resulting sequence is also will be an geometric progression. Third property, if we multiplied or divide each term of geometric progression with common ratio r by a non-zero constant, then the resulting sequence also will be in geometric progression with the same common ratio. Observe here, if a1, a2, a3, a4 and so on, an are in geometric progression, take any constant, that is lambda belongs to r except 0. Take any constant, that is lambda, which belongs to any real number except 0. If we multiplied or divide each term of geometric progression, if we multiplied each term, that is lambda times of a1, lambda times of a2, lambda times of a3, lambda times of a4 and so on, lambda times of an are in geometric progression. Observe here, take one example, 3, 6, 12, 24 and so on. 6 by 3 is nothing but 2, 12 by 6 2, 24 by 12 2. So clearly it is in geometric progression. Take lambda is nothing but minus 3. If we multiplied by lambda times of a1, that means minus 3 into 3, we get minus 9. Minus 3 into 6, minus 18. Minus 3 into 12, minus 36. Minus 3 into 24, that is minus 72 and so on. Observe here, common ratio R is equals to 2. Here minus 18 by minus 9. That means plus 2, minus 36 by minus 18. Here also plus 2, minus 17 by 72 by minus 36. Here also common ratio, same common ratio. Observe here, if we multiplied non-zero constant term of each term of a geometric progression, then the resulting sequence is also a geometric progression with the same common ratio. If we divide, that means take same lambda 1, a1 by lambda, a2 by lambda, and a3 by lambda, and so on, an by lambda also are in geometric progression, are also in geometric progression. Same example, take same example 3, 6, 12, 24, and so on with common ratio R is equals to 2. That means if we divide each term of geometric progression with by a non-zero constant term with common ratio R, we will get the new sequence. This is also in geometric progression with the same common ratio. Observe here, take lambda is equal to minus 3, 3 by minus 3, comma, 6 by minus 3, comma, 12 by minus 3, comma, 24 by minus 3, and so on. 3 by minus 3, we get minus 1. 6 by minus 3, we get minus 2. 12 by minus 3, we get minus 4. 24 by minus 3, we get minus 8, and so on. Minus 2 by minus 1, how much? 2. Minus 4 by minus 2, plus 2. Minus 8 by minus 4, plus 2. So this is also in geometric progression with common ratio 2. Here also common ratio 2. Next property is fourth one. Observe here, fourth one. The reciprocals of the terms of a given geometric progression. The reciprocals of the terms of a given geometric progression with common ratio R also will be a geometric progression with common ratio 1 by R. Observe here, the reciprocals of the terms of a given geometric progression with common ratio R also will be an geometric progression with common ratio 1 by R. Observe here, if A1 comma A2 comma A3 and so on AN are in GP with common ratio with common R, the reciprocals, that means 1 by A1 and 1 by A2, 1 by A3, and so on, and 1 by AN also are in geometric progression with common ratio 1 by R. Take one, let us discuss one example here. Example, take 5, 10, 20, 40, and so on. 5, 10, 20, 40, and so on. Here 10 by 5, common ratio 2, 20 by 10, common ratio 2, and 40 by 20, common ratio 2. So common ratio R is equals to 2. If you write their reciprocals, is nothing but 1 by 5, comma, 1 by 10, comma, 1 by 20, comma, 1 by 40, and so on. Observe here, T2 by T1 is nothing but 1 by 10 by 1 by 5. That is equals to 1 by 10 into its reciprocal 5. 5 ones are 5 2. We will get 1 by 2. T3 by T2 is nothing but 1 by 20 by 1 by 10. That is equals to 1 by 20 into its reciprocal 10 by 1 is nothing but 10. 10 ones are 10 twos are 1 by 2. And T4 by T3 T4 by T3 is nothing but 1 by 40 by 1 by 20 is equals to 1 by 40 into its reciprocal, 20, 21s are 22s are, that is equals to 1 by 2. Clearly, it is in GP. If we write the reciprocals of the given GP, it is also forms an geometric progression with common ratio 1 by R. Or here common ratio 2, here common ratio is 1 by 2. Next property, fifth one. If each term of a geometric progression, be raised to the same power, if each term of a geometric progression, be raised to the same power, then the resulting sequence also forms an geometric progression. Observe here, if a1 comma a2 comma a3 comma and so on an are in geometric progression, take n belongs to R, each term of a geometric progression be raised to the same power, then the resulting sequence also be in forms a geometric progression. Observe here, same power, if you raise it to the same power, that means a1 power n, a2 power n, a3 power n, and so on, an power n also in geometric progression. Here common ratio is equals to R. Here common ratio is equals to R power n. Here common ratio is equals to R. Here common ratio is equals to how much? R power n. Let us discuss one example here. Take one example, 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma and so on. Observe the sequence 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. 4 by 2, 2. 8 by 4, 2. So it is clearly, it is in GP. Alright, geometric progression. If you take n is equals to 2, raise it to the same power. Each term of a geometric progression, rise it to the same power, then the resulting sequence also forms an geometric progression. Observe here, rise it to the same power. 1 square, 2 square, 4 square, 8 square, and so on. 1 square is nothing but 1 only. 2 square, 4, 4 square, 16, 8 square is nothing but 64, and so on. Observe this sequence. T2 by T1, common ratio, T2 by T1, that is 4 by 1 is equals to 4. 4 by 1 is equals to 4. T3 by T2, 16 by 4, we will get 4 only. And T4 by T3, 64 by 16, we will get 4 only. So, this sequence 1, 4, 16 and 64 is also in geometric progression. That means if each term of the sequence each term of the geometric progression be raised to the same power, then the resulting sequence also forms an geometric progression. Observe here common ratio is equals here 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Here common ratio is equals to 4 is nothing but 2 square. That is 2 power n is nothing but 2 square. If you take n is equals 3, it will get 2 cube. Next property, sixth one. If a1 comma a2 comma a3 comma and so on an are in geometric progression. If a1 comma a2 comma a3 comma and so on an are in geometric progression of non-zero comma non-negative terms, non-zero comma non-negative terms of GP, then log a1 comma log a2 comma log A3 and so on, log AN are in arithmetic progression and vice versa. Observe here sixth property. If A1, A2, A3 and so on An are in geometric progression of non-zero and non-negative terms, then logarithm of A1, that means log A1, log A2, log A3, log A4 and so on, log AN are in arithmetic progression and vice versa. Vice versa means if log A1, log A2, log A3 and so on, log AN are in arithmetic progression, then A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN are in geometric progression. Let us discuss here one example here. Take one example. If 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on are in geometric progression, then log 2 comma log 4 comma log 8 comma log 16 and so on are in arithmetic progression. Observe here how means log 4, log 2, log 4, log 8, log 16 and so on are in arithmetic progression. How means we know that in an arithmetic progression the difference between any two consecutive terms is always same. Observe here T2 minus T1, that is log 4 minus log 2. Log A minus log B, is nothing but log A by B, that is equals to log 4 by 2 is equals to log 2. And T3 by T2 is nothing but log 8 minus log 4, that is equals to log 8 by 4. Here also log A minus log B is nothing but log A by B, that is log 8 by 4, that is equals to log 2. Next, T4 minus T3, that is log 16 minus log 8, that is log 16 by 8. Log A minus log B is nothing but log A by B, that is equals to log 2. Here common difference, log 2, common difference is same. So it is in arithmetic progression. Observe here, if A1, A2, A3 and so on AN are in geometric progressions of non-zero and non-negative terms, then logarithm of A1, logarithm of A2, logarithm of A3 and so on, logarithm of AN are in arithmetic progression and vice versa. Vice versa means if log A1, log A2, log A3 and so on, log AN are in arithmetic progression, then A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN in geometric progression. Next property, seventh one. If A1, A2, A3, and so on, AN, and B1, B2, B3, and so on, BN are two geometric progressions with common ratios R1 and R2 respectively. R1 and R2 respectively. Observe here seventh property. If A1, A2, A3, and so on AN and B1, B2, B3 and so on BN are two geometric progressions with common ratio R1 and with common ratio R2, then first one here A1 into B1, A2 into B2, A3 into B3 and so on AN into BN are in geometric progression. If we multiply by each term, so A1 into B1 and A2 into B2 and A3 into B3 and so on, AN into BN are in geometric progression with common ratio R1 into R2. Next, second one, also A1 by B1. If A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN and B1, B2, B3 and so on, BN are two geometric progressions with the common ratio R1 and R2, then A1 by B1, A2 by B2, A3 by B3 and so on, AN by BN are also in geometric progression with common ratio r1 by r2, with common ratio r1 by r2. If a1 a2 a3 a and so on an and b1 b2 b3 and so on bn are two geometric progression with common ratio r1 and r2, then the division of each term, that means a1 by b1 comma a2 by b2 comma a3 by b3 comma and so on an by bn are also in geometric progression with common ratio r1 by r2. But a1 plus or minus b1 comma a2 plus or minus b2 comma a3 plus or minus b3 and so on an plus or minus bn not at all in geometric progression. Okay, we'll soon next video. Until bye bye, please subscribe this channel.